Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing an encapsulated glitter design. So you may have seen this design before where I did a video doing both press-on nails and gel extensions in this abstract nude design. So what I'm going to be doing, I'll just be removing the polish only with the file, and I'm going to be leaving the gel extensions on so I can do the glitter design. So the filing was pretty easy because it was gel polish. I used the 80-100 grit nail file. And of course, filing produces a lot of dust, so I am just using my brush to remove that excess dust. And if you do not have a dust collector like myself, what I do is I use a mask when I'm using the e-file or when I'm filing a lot of polish off like that. So I'm just going to be using the e-file now to take off any excess polish and also to smooth the surface of the nail. By the way, my name is Shameen, and here on this channel I do everything nails and nails related. So if you like nail content, be sure to subscribe to this channel so you can keep up with all of my nail videos. So these are how the nails look after I'm finished filing off all of the gel polish, and now I'm just going to take an alcohol pad to clean off any excess dust that might have remained on the nail. And so I'm also taking this alcohol pad and cleaning the underside of the nail as well before we get into our glitter design. So these are some glitters, random glitters I got off Amazon about 3 years ago. If I find the original links, if they're still there, I will leave it in the description box. If not, I will look for some other glitters that you can use as well. But basically, if you just type in chunky glitters in Amazon, you should find glitters that look like this. So also I had some butterfly stickers I bought from AliExpress a long time ago that I really wanted to try out. So those are what we'll be using today. Also, we'll be using some butterfly sequins to do our design. So to do this design, I am going in first with some base coat. This base coat I'm using is from Lisa Con, and I'm going to apply one layer of base coat to all 5 of the nails. Now it's time to apply our glitter, and I put this extra paper towel under here to catch any excess glitter that might fall. So I'll be using this brush and I'll be applying this glitter where you see my natural nail showing out under the gel extension. So that's the first thing I'm covering up, and I'll just be applying this to all 5 nails, and I'll be going across the nail with this glitter right in the center of the nail. I'm going to apply the blue chunky glitter, and this is going to the base of the nail, and keep in mind that the base coat is still going to be wet while you're applying the glitter onto the nail. And finally, I'll be applying this iridescent chunky glitter to the tips of all of the nails. And after we finish applying this over all of the nails, only then are we going to put it in the UV lamp, and we're going to cure this for 60 seconds. After curing for 60 seconds, I am applying another layer of base gel, and this layer of base gel is so that I can apply the butterfly sequins to the nails. Just keep in mind, since we used chunky glitter, that when you're applying this layer of base coat, it will be a little rough, but it would not stop you from adding your butterfly sequence or whatever else you plan to add. So you don't have to use butterfly sequence, whatever type of sequence you have. If you have hearts or stuff like that, you could definitely use it as part of the design. So I'm just adding the butterflies in different spots and in different colors randomly onto the nail. We don't want to put too much so that it overpowers the glitter underneath, but just enough so that, you know, everything looking cute. Just a reminder, we're adding all of these sequins while the base coat is still wet. And after that, we're going to cure in the UV lamp for 60 seconds. So after curing it in the UV lamp, this is when I'm going to bring out my builder gel to start encapsulating. So I'm just going to apply a thin layer over all of the nails. And of course, you know, we put it to cure after. Just to note, you can also do this exact design using press-on nails. So you're following the same steps, but instead of the nails being on your fingers, your full cover false nails are going to be on the stands, and you could encapsulate it in the same way. Alright, so after curing the UV lamp, we're making sure now to wipe off that tacky sticky layer that remains on top of the nail. So make sure I wipe that off good. And while I was wiping it off, I realized that the nails were still rough, which means that, you know, the first layer of builder gel wasn't enough. So after I wipe these off, what you'll see me doing is that I will go in with one more layer of builder gel just to make sure everything is encapsulated properly. After the second layer of builder gel, I made sure to wipe off the sticky layer again, and now we're ready to file, shape and buff these nails. So I'm going to be doing that now, making sure to maintain that almond shape we had at the beginning. These are how the nails look after filing, shaping and buffing, and they look so cute. I can't wait to top coat them. But of course, I really wanted to use those butterfly stickers that I had sitting there for the longest while. So you'll just see me going through the stickers, and then I'll select some and I'll be applying them directly onto the nails. So these stickers are optional, you don't have to do it. Because these nails with the glitter encapsulated look fine just as is. All you have to do is add a top coated and it would still be a really cute set. But I am adding these stickers, so I'm just making sure to press them down flat onto the nail, and after that we're going to top coat them. Okay, so now that that's done, it's time to add our top coat, and it's from Libra Nails Lab for a glossy, shiny finish on all of these nails. And this is so nice. I just like to see the top coat when the glitter comes to life like this. So I was really happy for that. And you don't want your nails looking dry and crusty, so we put in some cuticle oil around our cuticles, you know, just to make everything look nice. So I did these nails in the night and they were looking pretty cool, but of course when I'm finished with the set, I go out into the sunlight to see how they look as well. But this is the finished set. I'm really happy with how they turned out, even with the butterflies and everything. And I think this set lasted me just about a week before I eventually took off the entire set. So that will be it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.